Why do we get hiccups? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, contracts suddenly and unexpectedly. This causes your vocal cords to snap shut, creating that familiar hic sound. Hiccups can be triggered by eating too fast, drinking carbonated beverages, sudden excitement, or even stress. Most hiccups go away on their own, but holding your breath or drinking water slowly might help stop them. Next time you get the hiccups, just remember, it's your body's quirky way of reacting to a little irritation.